Java JDK any version, latest version and old version. Uninstallation in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating system, PC or laptop. Completely uninstall. Explain. Installed version in your PC, verify. Windows search box lo CMD type. First option, command prompt. Click command prompt, shell window open. Enter the Java text command. Java space ---- version. Enter key press. Installation latest version Java 25.0.1. Release date year 2025, month 10th, date 21st LTS version. Command prompt, shell window close. Desktop Windows search box lo control panel. Enter. First option, control panel. Click window maximize. Programs and features option. Click Java TM SC development kit installation version 25.0.1 64-bit supporting application. Select, mouse right click, uninstall. Click Java TM SC development kit window first button. Yes, click. Uninstallation process start. After uninstallation completed, control panel window close. Windows search box lo env type. First option, edit the system environment variable. Click system properties window lo last button, environment variable. Click system variable section lo Java home. Select third button, delete. Click next path. Select second button, edit. Click installation Java path, local disk C, program files Java JDK 25/bin. Select right side, delete button. Click OK. Click OK. Click and OK. Click desktop Windows search box lo CMD type. First option, command prompt. Click recheck uninstallation completely successfully. Verify Java version. Enter key press. Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. Window close. System restart must.